So this project is about mapping sustainable and green tech solution for enhancing best practices in societal carbon footprint reduction. So, and this is the agenda of our piloting session today. We'll have an introduction to life learning development, Afridat and our team, and we'll have introduction of the participants. And after that, we'll have a small project presentation. We'll talk about what exactly this project is about. And after that, we have our trainer here who will be talking about climate change issue. So, and after that, we'll have some presentations of the best practices in terms of green technological solutions, which was collected in our project from three countries. We collected from three countries, that is France, Italy, and Germany. So we'll be presenting here the best practices related to the green technological solution in Germany. And we'll also have a small break in between, like 17:50 until 18, that is 10 minutes. And after that, we'll have a breakout room with 5 groups where participants would be working together. There will be a group activities. And after the group activities, each group would be given 10 minutes to present their group activities to all our group members. And at the end, we'll have a question answer session. If you have any question answer session, question answer, and then we'll have evaluation and we'll provide the links to the resources. I hope the agenda is clear for everyone. Okay, now moving to life learning development. So life learning development, it is based in Germany, and it is a non-governmental organization that offers formal and non-formal research and upskilling activities, as well as planning and implementing of the development projects. So the major focus area of life learning development is capacity building, network building, consulting, and development project. As life learning development, we work in various development areas such as entrepreneurship, digitalization, diversity and inclusion, say it migration also, adult education as well, and even the climate changes issues. So this is all about life learning development. Since this session, piloting session is jointly organized with life learning development and Afridat. So this is about life learning. So when we move to Afridat, Afridat works on the project design and management. It even works on the capacity building, technical impact, technical impact assessment, and technological transfer. We even collaborate in developmental and international cooperations. Apart from that, we also have expert network building of professionals and research and innovation. The focusing area that Afridat works on are entrepreneurship, agriculture, energy, education, migration, climate change, opinion pool, and digitalization. So these are some of the glimpses of our completed project. So first talking about SLATE, enhancement of social learning opportunity through the implementation of low carbon and green economic practices. This was the project that was jointly organized, jointly conducted by 4 partners, that is Afridat, LLD, and 1 partner from Italy and the Sweden. So in this project, what we did was like we were able to develop a handbook that is related with the societal, that is related with the low carbon and green economic. If you would like to read about this book, it is available in our website as well, and even our platform Same Connect as well. And the next one is empowering youth for climate advocacy. This project has like 2 phases. The first phases was and the first phases is already finished. Now the second phase we are going to conduct it in the 12th of August. That would be a bicycle rally. And the next one is the net zero emission, and other is social entrepreneurship model. And the next one is the same synergy for adult migrant entrepreneur journey. In this project, I don't know, I feel whenever I talk about life learning development or Afridat, I always talk about this project because this one is one of our output that this project had is one of our best output, I would say. So in this project, we developed a platform where a like-minded people like us could connect, could network each other. And in this platform, you can even get the resources available related to all the topics that we have in our projects. And the next one is enhancing diversity management and inclusion in youth work. So these projects were the projects that we had completed, but talking about the ongoing project is like social growth for circular fashion, breaking gender barriers through youth work. You can see this training course is going on right now. That is from 19th July until 27th. So we have even the next phase that is from 15th of August to 23rd. And we have ProGender, Exit, and the next one is Emfrau. This project has also been one of my my project that I had given my 100%, and I would like to share with you as well. So it is empowering migrant women for job insertion. So here in this project as well, we have been able to develop a guidebook which can be used by everyone who wants to come and work in a European country. So we have provided all the details about like what are the things that you need to have when you're applying for a job. So like building your job toolkit, selection process, all the processes from your start until the end. So for this project as well, we have a mentorship session which is going to be conducted online on 3rd of August. If any one of you are interested to join, you're also welcome to join this mentorship section as well. So this is all about our projects that we have. So my main intention to explain the project, explain some details about our project is just to show you that what Life Learning Development and Afridat, what are we working on, which area of a development project are we working on. So if you would like to contact us, if you'd like to know more about our projects, our works that we have been doing, then you can follow us in our Facebook. There are lots of video outputs that we have in our YouTube as well. Anyone who's interested to learn more, you can even subscribe us. So this is all about Life Learning Development and Afridat. So now, moving to myself, introducing myself, I'm Natasha Shrestha, and I'm originally from Nepal. And I came to Germany for my master's studies, and currently I'm living in Germany. And I work as a project manager in Life Learning Development. So my motivation to join the piloting session is, this piloting session is to explore more knowledge about the green technological solution that is being applied, that is being adopted in various parts of the world. So I'd like to request everyone, I'll take the name of you all so that you can also introduce us. Just a second. So when you introduce yourself, please let us know your full name, your country of residence, where do you live, what do you do, and your motivation to join the piloting session in just a sentence. Yes, okay. Should I start with Dr. Hussein Abdulhai?
Hello, good evening. Thank you very much, Natasha. Yes, I hope you can hear me well. As you see my name, I'm Abdul Hai, and I'm living in Germany since 14 years in Bonn. So, and the fascination or motivation, actually, what I have, the contribution, it may be shorter, small, or big contribution, but my contribution to the nature, to the climate, to the environment. That means how I can contribute positively to stop that climate change or to adapt or to minimize the negative impact of the climate change in the world. So that is my motivation. And thank you for this opportunity to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hai. So I think we have Dr. Ibrahim as well here.
So my name is Ibrahim Moritala. I'm originally from Nigeria. I've been in Germany for quite some time. And I'm a energy process engineer. I'm also a member of Live Learning Development. The reason why I joined this session is also to learn about the best practices that has to do with green tech. I promote a lot of green tech activities in my teachings, in my, early this morning, I just completed some lectures with a group of students on environmental standard, and green tech was a major innovation aspect of the discussion. So for me, it's also opportunity to learn new things from the team, what they've done, what they've put together, and how they've been able to put all the resources together from partner countries to see how we can also promote sustainable development. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ibrahim. Okay, moving to next, Sudarshan. Okay, Satonik, I hope I pronounced well. Satonik Mitra.
So, hello everyone. My name is Mitra. My family name is Nichte. I am a resident of Germany, and so for many years. And so I have started a startup. The name is Saturnic. You can see that, and it's a green startup dedicated to green technology for separation of microplastic from water and wastewater. Water and wastewaters. And so, as you mentioned, one sentence, I am just trying to make it short. So my motivation is that I like to know more always. So as a scientist, I am always curious and I like to know more. I have a postdoc in the microplastic and microplastic pollution, and I am very likely to know you here, and we maybe later we have a collaboration or joint interest. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Good to know about you. And yes, we are, to let you know, like we are also open for collaboration. And we'd like to more about what you work. We'd like to know even about your work, what you have done.
Okay. You asked me to more explain, or I?
Yes. I wanted to know, like you said, you have an organization that is working in the plastic recycling, isn't it?
Yes, it's a microplastic, and we started about maybe about 2019. We have filed several patents. And we develop a technology that can separate microplastic. It's got a lot of project from European project to a different incubator of the circular economy and so on. And we are now in the scale-up process. We have a funder that help us to scale up the device. So we are somehow in a stage of 8. For those who know the scale-up process, it has a 9 stage, and we are now in this between 7.5 or 8 as a mark of progress. And we are searching for example, the investors or things like that, marketing, and now our focus is more like that. So very, very nice to see if there is a possibility of collaboration or with the other organization. I'm always open to that. So I am also the CEO or CEO of the Saturn. So you can also reach me directly through my LinkedIn or my website is saturnic.com.
Okay, is it possible if you drop your website in chat so that each and everyone can also go and see, we also can see it, we can save it for our future collaboration as well?
Of course, yes, with pleasure, yeah, sure, I will do that.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now we move to the next one. So we have Christabel here. Christabel, could you please introduce yourself to us?
Okay, hi everyone. Well, please, I would like to off my video because of the network here. My name is Christabel Okeke. I live in Nigeria and I work with Afritat, and also I assist in project management. My motivation to join the pilot session is to learn more about the different best practices and how to positively impact my environment with the best practices. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Christabel. So we have here David. Okay, if not, let's move to the next. Rima, are you there?
Hello, everyone. I am Rima Boral. I'm currently residing in Germany. And what I'm doing is like I'm struggling. I'm in my struggle phase. So I will not like to mention about that. And then why I'm interested in climate change topic is that I'm actually writing a thesis on the topic. So wherever I see the topic climate change, I just apply it, and then I just join I just join the all this session. So the main motivation for me to join this is yeah, and then it is the hot topic also. That's why. Thank you.
Thank you, Rima. So we move to the next. Brian Matara, if I pronounce it correctly. Brian, are you there?
Yes, I'm in. Yeah, so thank you so much. I'm Brian Matara from Kenya, the founder of Bobby Press Foundation. I live in Kenya, currently in Kisii, and my motivation to be in this project is because I am a climate ambassador, doing climate change sessions and creating more awareness on climate change, and dealing with the issues on loss and damage, and how can we address the issue of climate financing so that we can also try and build the systems of our readdress on climate change. So I'm happy to join here. I'm here to learn. Now now that I've had Maple for probably the first time, I'm here to add value and input that I stand to be guided, and any of my experience and knowledge, I'm able to give any input and valuable services that can be of value to the call. And then I'm a researcher. I do research, I do policies, and I am an advisor and a consultant in policy and research work. So thank you so much, and have a good time.
Thank you so much. Yes, we also need your valuable input and to assess our work that we have done. So yes, that's why we are here here today to show our work and to get some of the feedback from you, so that we can improve ourselves in the next work as well. So now we have Shlesma. Are you there?
Yes. Hi, everyone. So this is me. I'm Shlesma. And I'm Shlesma Shakya. I'm originally from Nepal as well. So I am here in Germany since last 9 months. And I am a student at Rheinwall, Hochschule Rheinwall, and I'm studying Sustainable Development Management. That's my master's degree course. And the main motivation to join this session for me is because it directly links to the course that I'm studying. And the second motivation I would like to say is to build up the connections with the people here around, because we all are from the same, maybe the same motivation or maybe the same content that we all are dealing. That's a sustainable development towards it. So for the future connections and collaborations, and maybe to know more people around. Yeah, that's my motivation. Thank you so much, Natasha.
Thank you. Okay, can we have F. Hussein?
Hello, am I audible to you and everyone? Okay,
Yes.
my name is Mohammad Farhad Hussain. I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh, but I am a full-time professional in textile and leather goods manufacturing sector. And besides, I am a running student of Brandenburg University of Cottbus in the Environmental and Resource Management MSc program. Basically, I participated in the several workshop program organized by LLD previously at the last year, such as the SLAT program and others too also. So I am very fortunate to give me the chance to attend this special multidisciplinary workshop, which is basically will cover up the sustainable and mapping sustainable and green tech solution for the future, considering less carbon emission. So as a textile and leather goods engineer, my motivation to participate this workshop that the carbon footprint and the carbon emission, these problems are very related to my sector, the fashion trade. We all know that. So I think by participating this workshop, I will be able to enhance my ability and knowledge how European and the first world country like Germany, they are doing sustainable practices towards less carbon emission. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Hussein. Nice to know that you have always been in our part of in all projects. Yes, I remember you from our last project as well. So hope to see you again in our another projects as well. Okay, so we have a message from here, Gooskin. I don't know I pronounce this properly or not. So he cannot talk because he's in a noisy place. So about him, we can read it in chat. So we have another here, Sherigni Mustafa. Okay, simple Mustafa. Are you there?
Hello, everyone. My name is Mustafa, and I'm from Senegal. I'm a student in environmental sciences, and I'm happy to be here. My motivation is to learn more about solutions against climate change and learn more about solutions that lead to sustainable development. Nice to meet you, and thank you.
Thank you, Mustafa. Nice to meet you as well. So, Devish, are you there? Okay, I see they are not here. So maybe now we move forward. So let me again share my screen. So now here I would like to present about our project. I would like to provide only the basic information. Okay, MAPL, it's Mapping Sustainable and Green Tech Solution for Enhancing Best Practices in Societal Carbon Footprint Education. So in this project, we have four organizations we are working together. Life Learning Development from Germany, Osengo from France, Afridat Yuzi also from Germany, and Mina Veganti from Italy. So some of the issues addressed by this project were the environmental and climate change, the green skills, and the social innovation. So some of the project activities that we conducted was like the first activities that we conducted was the desktop research. In desktop research, what we did was like we collected, we tried to do the research on the green technological solutions. What kind of green technological solutions all these three countries, Germany, Italy, and France, were adopting. So we did a desktop research, and based on our desktop research, we found like 10 best green technological solution that has been adopted in all these three countries, and we tried to map out output that we have from our desktop research in a very interactive e-blog, so that every reader can go to the interactive blog and learn about the best practices that has been implemented in all these 3 countries. So altogether, we have been able to collect 30 best practices in terms of sustainable and green technological solution in this our project. So this is just a basic information of our project. So if you'd like to know more about our project, I would also share you our website link. We can go there and you can get all the updates of our project. So, but we'll talk about the best practices later on. This is just the basic information of the project that we conducted. So now, for moving forward, I'd like to ask our speaker, Dr. Hussein Abdul Hai, to talk about the climate change issues. So the floor is yours.